Welcome, my friend. Tonight, this guided sleep meditation is here to support you. If your mind feels restless with overthinking, you are not alone. Here you'll find release, calm, and balance. Together, we will gently awaken and heal your sacral chakra. This is the center of emotional balance, creativity, and flow. Through breath, body awareness, and visualization, you'll be guided out of overthinking and into deep rest. So settle in now. Allow your body to soften, your breath to slow. You are safe here. You are loved here. And tonight, you return to peace. So let's begin with the breath. Inhale, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, gently in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Breathe in calm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice the shoulders softening, the chest opening, the mind beginning to slow. This guided sleep meditation is already shifting you away from overthinking and bringing you back into the natural rhythm of rest and emotional balance. Now that the breath is steady, let's move deeper into the body. Bring awareness to the crown of your head and imagine a soft wave of relaxation flowing downward. Your forehead softens, eyes release, jaw unclenches. The worries, the conversations, the overthinking of the day, they begin to melt away. Notice your neck and shoulders. So many people carry the weight of the world here. Tonight, allow them to let go. Feel the wave move down through your arms, into your chest, and your belly. This orange center glows softly, the home of your sacral chakra healing. With each exhale, release tension and welcome emotional balance. Now the wave flows through hips, thighs, knees, all the way down to your toes. Every muscle heavy, every part supported. This body scan reminds you when the body releases tension. The mind releases overthinking. And together, body and mind prepare you for deep rest. Now, gently bring your attention to the space just below your navel, the home of your sacral chakra. I invite you to imagine a soft orange glow of light. At first, it may be faint, like the last colors of sunset stretching across the horizon. With each inhale, it becomes brighter. With each exhale, it expands, filling your lower belly, warming your hips, your whole center. This orange glow is the energy of flow, of creativity, of emotional balance. It is where your feelings, your passions, your joy reside. One of my students once told me, "Professor, I felt like my emotions were locked away for years. But when I pictured this orange light, it was like a door finally opening." Maybe you felt that too. Moments when emotions felt stuck, when overthinking made it hard to simply feel. Here, in this guided sleep meditation, you don't need to force or fix anything. Just allow the orange glow to move freely, like water flowing downstream. See the light spinning gently, like a wheel in perfect harmony, smooth, effortless, balanced. Each breath fueling its rhythm, each exhale releasing what no longer serves you. If sadness arises, let it soften in the glow. If joy arises, let it expand. Whatever comes, belongs. This sacral chakra healing is not about control, but about trust. Trusting that your emotions can flow safely here. Feel that warmth filling your whole lower body, comforting, soothing, alive. As if the universe itself is whispering, you are allowed to feel. You are allowed to create. You are allowed to rest. Now, with the orange glow alive within you, let's gently plant a few affirmations, like seeds in fertile soil. Repeat them silently in your mind, or let my voice carry them for you. I am creative. I allow my emotions to flow with ease. I am worthy of joy and of rest. Let the words settle, not just in your mind, but in the very center of your being. Feel them rooting deep into your sacral chakra, glowing brighter with each phrase. A student of mine once said, "Professor, at first these words felt foreign, like they belonged to someone else. But after a few nights, they became my own truth." Maybe that will be true for you as well. Even if a part of you doubts, simply let the affirmations flow over you, like warm waves of water, or like music you don't need to analyze, you only need to feel. So once more, let them echo within you. I am creative. I allow my emotions to flow with ease. I am worthy of joy and of rest. This guided sleep meditation is reminding your heart and your body of what has always been true. That you are safe to feel, safe to rest, and safe to dream. And now, simply notice what is here. Thoughts may still rise, like clouds across the sky. Emotions may ripple, like water under the moonlight. You don't need to chase them, and you don't need to fight them. Just notice and let them drift. Many discover that the harder they resist, the louder the mind becomes. But the moment they surrender, peace returns. So tonight, let go of effort, let go of control, Allow this guided sleep meditation to carry you. Your breath is steady, your sacral chakra glowing, your whole being resting in emotional balance. Picture your thoughts now as autumn leaves floating downstream. They pass on their own, leaving you free to rest. And now, we begin the gentle countdown. From 10, all the way to 1. With each number, you drift deeper into rest, guided by healing and peace. 10, heavy and safe. 9, shoulders loose, mind slowing. 8, floating like a leaf on still water. 7, wrapped in silence, soft and warm. 6, the breath long, effortless. 5, halfway down, steady and calm. 4, thoughts fading, distant echoes. 3, floating between waking and sleep. 2, nothing left to hold, nothing left to do. 1, arriving now, in deep rest. This guided sleep meditation with sacral chakra healing has brought you into balance, into peace, into the safety of dreams. And now, there is nothing left to do. No effort, no control, only rest. Feel the bed beneath you, supportive and steady. Feel the breath within you, soft and effortless. Your sacral chakra healing glows gently, a warm orange light of emotional balance. Every emotion has space. Every part of you is allowed to rest. You are safe. You are loved. You are enough, exactly as you are. This guided sleep meditation is here whenever you need it, to ease overthinking, to restore balance, to bring peace to your body and mind. So let go completely now and allow the music to carry you deeper into silence, into sleep.